How to fix Telegram video not playing problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again, and here just type Telegram and click on it. And first thing you need to do here is to click force stop and then go to storage, clear cache, and then click permissions and allow all of those permissions here, and that's it. Now go to Play Store and click update, and if that doesn't fix your problem now, it means that you need to clean some space. So just go to your gallery and then clean some videos and photos and try again, and I hope that can fix your problem. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.